Welcome to Diverse Thoughts, where bold ideas spark cosmic journeys. Today, we dive into Space Loop, the ultimate truth of our existence and the multiverse, a mind-bending exploration of a universe caught in an endless cycle, where galaxies dance to their own time, life loops through the stars, and the ultimate truth awaits. Buckle up for a ride through the cosmos. Let's uncover the secrets of existence together. Space Loop, the ultimate truth of our existence and the multiverse. Introduction. Step into a cosmos where the ordinary dissolves, where stars and shadows weave a truth beyond imagining. A journey through a vision that redefines reality itself. Envision a universe not stretched along a fleeting arrow of time, but curled into an endless spiral, a space loop where every moment circles back, where creation and collapse entwine like lovers in an eternal dance. Planets spin in perfect rounds, galaxies hum their own songs of time, and life, fragile, fleeting, threads through infinite realms, reborn across the vastness. This is no mere theory bound by equations, but a tapestry of wonder, a hypothesis born from gazing at the night sky and asking, what holds it all together? Picture a starry expanse, each pinprick of light a story looping through eons. The Milky Way swirls, its arms cradling Earth, while far beyond, Andromeda's glow whispers of other clocks, other cycles. Day and night blend into a single pulse, as if the universe breathes in unison, its rhythm unbroken across countless galaxies. This vision, the space loop, sees existence as a circle. Beginnings kissing endings, life rising and falling, stars fading only to flare anew. It's a truth that feels alive, pulsing in the silence between constellations, a promise that nothing is lost, only reshaped. Science casts glimmers on this idea, not to cage it, but to spark its colors. Cosmologists like Alan Guth, with his 2024 revisit to cosmic inflation in Physical Review Letters, suggest the universe ballooned from a speck, yet its shape remains a mystery. Could it loop? Philosophers like Hannah Arendt, echoed in 2025's Journal of Existential Studies, ponder recurrence, lives and moments circling back. These are threads, not chains, weaving through the space loop's fabric, hinting that the cosmos might curl inward, its edges meeting in a dance of eternity. Consider standing on a cliff at dusk, the horizon swallowing the sun, only to know it'll rise again. That rhythm, so small, mirrors the grandest scale, galaxies spinning, collapsing, reborn. The space loop binds them, a vision where time doesn't flee but folds, where every galaxy's heartbeat syncs to a universal pulse. Questions rise. Are we mere specks in this cycle, or its architects? Does the loop trap us, or set us free? The answers lie ahead, not in sterile labs, but in the stories stars tell when no one listens. This documentary unfolds that story, exploring a cosmos where Mars' dead rivers warn of Earth's fate, where life might leap between galaxies, where futures are written yet malleable. Scientific sparks, relativity, quantum realms, cyclic models, will light the way, not dictate it. The space loop isn't just a cycle, it's a mirror reflecting humanity's deepest hopes, to endure, to return, to belong. Let the journey begin, through swirling nebulae and timeless voids, to uncover the ultimate truth of existence itself. Section 1. The Space Loop. Envision a universe alive with motion, yet bound by a single, unbroken rhythm. A space loop, where every spark of creation curls back to its source. Stars blaze, galaxies spiral, planets waltz in endless rounds, only to fade and flare again, caught in a cosmic cycle that knows no end. The Milky Way churns, its billion suns tracing paths that echo forever, while distant clusters hum their own refrains, all woven into a tapestry that repeats, reshapes, renews. This is the space loop, not a line to nowhere, but a circle where every collapse births a dawn. Stand beneath a midnight sky, the constellations a map of eternity. Each star's light, traveling eons, feels like a promise. Nothing vanishes, only transforms. The loop holds Earth's days, its seasons, but stretches far beyond, to realms where time and space bend inward. Galaxies collide, merge, dissolve, yet their dust swirls into new forms, a dance that never pauses. This vision sees creation as a pulse, beating through the void, each beat a universe reborn. Science offers echoes of this cycle. Paul Stenhardt and Neil Turock's Cyclic Cosmology, refined in 2024's Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics, paints a universe oscillating between big bangs and crunches, each cycle a fresh canvas. Anomalies in the cosmic microwave background, reported in Nature Astronomy last year, hint at scars from past eons, ripples that might whisper of loops long gone. These aren't the space loop itself, but shadows cast by its rhythm, suggesting a cosmos that folds back on itself, eternal yet ever new. Picture a galaxy's spiral arm, its stars like beads on a string, circling endlessly. Zoom out, and the universe mirrors that spin, a grand spiral, its edges blurred, its center both start and finish. The loop isn't chaos, it's order, a design where every supernova's blast seeds a nursery for suns. Philosophers muse on this too. Heraclitus, centuries ago, spoke of flux, a river you never step in twice, yet always the same. A 2025 Philosophy of Science essay tied this to cosmology, pondering if existence loops through phases, each familiar yet distinct. What does it mean to live in such a cycle? Imagine time not as a thief, stealing moments, but as a weaver, stitching them back. The space loop suggests no true endings. Earth's dawn follows dusk, just as galaxies rise from ashes. Questions swirl. Does the loop comfort, knowing all returns? Or does it bind, a chain no star can break? The cosmos hums with this truth, its spirals a testament to a rhythm older than light, a cycle that holds every dream, every dust mote, in its endless embrace. Section 2: Day and Night Together. Time zones of the cosmos. Picture a universe where day and night aren't foes, but partners, twirling in a dance that spans the stars. In this vision, time splinters, each galaxy cradling its own rhythm, a cosmic clock ticking out of sync with its neighbors. The Milky Way counts its hours, its suns rising and setting, while Andromeda, a faint smudge in the sky, follows a different beat, as if the cosmos were a symphony of mismatched tempos. These are the time zones of the universe, a quilt of moments sewn together by the space loop's thread. Envision a distant world, its sky ablaze with twin suns, where dawn and dusk merge into a single glow. Here, time feels fluid, unbound by Earth's tidy cycle. The space loop sees this as universal, every galaxy, every star, pulsing to its own measure, yet all harmonized in the loop's grand arc. The Milky Way's day might span 1,000,000 years in another realm's reckoning, each zone a verse in the cosmos' endless song. Science lends a spark to this idea through Einstein's relativity. Time dilation, tested in 2024's Physical Review D with orbiting satellites, shows time stretching near massive stars or speeding ships. A second by a black hole crawls, while decades flash on a distant planet. This isn't a galactic time zone, but it hints at time's malleability, a canvas where moments bend and shift. Lisa Randall's 2025 Nature Physics paper on warp dimensions adds another layer. Perhaps unseen realms skew time further, aligning with the space loop's fractured pulse. Imagine standing on a comet, hurtling through a galaxy's edge, where time feels like a river, now slow, now swift. The space loop binds these rivers into one, a current that flows yet returns. Philosophers have long wrestled with time's nature. Augustine called it a mystery, stretching in God's mind. A 2024 Journal of Metaphysics piece linked this to cosmology, asking if time loops with the universe itself. The space loop answers, time isn't one, but many, a chorus of clocks singing together, day and night as one. What does this mean for existence? If time splinters, are we bound to our galaxy's tick, or free to drift? The loop suggests both, freedom within its rhythm, a dance where every step fits the tune. Picture a star's light, born in one zone, reaching another eons later, tying moments across the void. The space loop's truth is this: time's differences don't divide, they unite, a symphony where every note, every galaxy, plays its part in eternity's round. Section 3. Life on Mars and Earth's Mirror. Turn to Mars, a world of rust and shadow, its canyons carved by rivers long vanished. Once, it might have sung with life, trickling streams, perhaps microbes clinging to warm springs beneath a gentler Sunday. Now, it's a tomb, its air thin, its waters dust. The space loop casts this as no mere tragedy, but a chapter in a cycle. Planets awaken, flourish, then sleep, their tales echoing across the cosmos. Mars' past is Earth's future, a mirror held by time itself. Picture standing on a Martian plain, the wind whispering of lost seas. Those seas, found in 2024 by NASA's Perseverance rover, left traces, organic compounds in astrobiology reports, sparking dreams of ancient life. As the sun ages, swelling red in 5 billion years, Earth could follow. Oceans boiling, skies fading, a green world turned barren. This isn't doom, but rhythm. Planets, like stars, loop through phases, their vitality reborn elsewhere in the galaxy's embrace. Science maps this cycle. Exoplanet studies, like 2025's Nature Astronomy survey of Kepler data, show worlds in habitable zones, some thriving, some lost. Mars was one such world, Earth is now, and others wait. The space loop sees them linked, a chain of life rising, falling, rising again. Imagine a distant planet, its skies purple, its oceans teeming. What Mars lost, it gains, a balance kept across the stars. Philosophers ponder this too. Teilhard de Chardin's Cosmic Evolution, revisited in 2024's Philosophy of Science, saw life as a universal force, spreading inevitably. The space loop agrees. Life isn't bound to one rock, it loops, scattering seeds through time and space. Picture Earth's forests fading, yet mirrored in alien jungles light years away. This cycle asks, are we alone, or legion? The loop answers, legion, each world a verse, each life a note in the cosmic hymn. What does Mars teach? Its silence warns, yet promises, existence endures, looping beyond loss. Imagine humanity's descendants, fleeing a dying Earth, finding new homes under strange stars. The space loop holds this truth. No planet's end is final, just a pause before the next awakening, a cycle that cradles life across the universe's endless round. Section 4. Rebirth across the galaxies. Envision life as a wanderer, not tethered to one world, but leaping between galaxies, reborn in realms beyond imagining. The space loop sees existence as a flame, flickering out here, igniting there, yet always one spark at a time, a balance woven into the cosmos fabric. Consciousness dances through time, now in the Milky Way, now under alien suns, each life a loop within the greater cycle, eternal yet singular. Picture waking on a world where 3 moons hang low, your essence reborn, yet somehow the same. The space loop holds this possibility. We don't end, but shift, our stories looping through the stars. This isn't reincarnation as mystics know it, but a cosmic rhythm where life's essence travels, finding new forms, new homes, across the multiverse vast tapestry. Science offers threads to this vision. Panspermia, from Fred Hoyle and Chandra Wickramasinghe, imagines life seeds, amino acids, molecules, riding comets between worlds. A 2025 astrobiology study found such compounds in asteroid samples, hinting at life's cosmic spread. Quantum entanglement, probed in 2024's Physical Review Letters, links particles across distances, suggesting unseen ties. Could consciousness entangle, looping through realms? The space loop dreams it so. Philosophers echo this. David Bohm's Implicate Order, revisited in 2025's Journal of Consciousness Studies, saw reality as a folded whole where every part holds the rest. The space loop aligns, life unfolds, refolds, reborn in new galaxies, each birth a balance against death. Imagine a galaxy's edge, its stars dim, yet life sparking anew in another's core. This asks, are we unique, or echoes? The loop answers, echoes, each life a ripple in the cosmic stream. What does rebirth mean? It's hope, existence persists, looping beyond graves. Picture humanity's spark, fading here, flaring there, under skies no telescope sees. The space loop's truth is this: we're bound to the cycle, yet freed by it, travelers in a multiverse where every end is a beginning, every death a new dawn. Section 5. Stars die, stars are born. Gaze at the sun, a golden heart pulsing life, yet destined to dim. In billions of years, it'll swell, scorch earth, then shrink to a white dwarf's ghost. Yet this isn't the end, its dust will swirl, ignite, birth new suns, new worlds. The space loop sees this as its essence. Death feeds creation, collapse sparks renewal, a cycle where every star's fall lifts another to shine. Picture a nebula, a glowing cloud where stars are born, its colors woven from the ruins of giants. Supernovae, mapped in 2024's Astrophysical Journal, blast elements, carbon, oxygen, into space, seeding new systems. This stellar rhythm mirrors the space loop. Nothing perishes, only transforms, each ending a promise of dawn. Galaxies brim with such nurseries, their light a testament to the cycle's pulse. Science charts this dance. Cecilia Penga-Poshkin's work showed stars as furnaces, forging life's building blocks. A 2025 Nature astronomy study traced heavy metals in young suns, proof of recycling across eons. The space loop embraces this. Every star's death is a gift, its ashes crafting worlds where life might bloom anew. Philosophers see meaning here. Anaximander, millennia ago, spoke of balance, destruction birthing order. A 2024 Philosophy of Science piece tied this to cosmology, asking if stars loop through cosmic phases. The space loop answers, yes, each supernova a note, each new sun a chord in the universe's song. Imagine a dying star's flash, its light reaching a world unborn, sparking hope across the void. What does this cycle teach? Its resilience. Nothing is lost, only remade. Picture a future sky, Earth gone, yet new planets orbiting fresh suns, their seas alive. The space loop's truth is this: the cosmos renews itself, a cycle where every star's end is a beginning, every darkness a cradle for light's return. Section 6. The Round Universe. See the universe as a sphere, its fabric curling until edges meet, a cosmic round where start and finish blur. The space loop envisions this: journey far enough, and you return, not to a new place, but home, caught in a cycle where the path loops inward. This isn't a sprawling void, but a closed embrace, it's shaped the key to its eternity. Picture a starship slicing through galaxies, only to find its origin ahead, as if space folded back. The space loop holds this paradox: distance is illusion, the cosmos a circle etched in stardust. Every planet's orbit, every galaxy's spiral, mirrors this roundness, a hint of a deeper design where all things return. Science toys with this idea. The closed universe model, explored by Stephen Hawking, suggests space might curve tightly, collapsing to restart. A 2025 Journal of High-Energy Physics paper on the holographic principle, Juan Maldacina's legacy, posits reality as a projection, its boundaries looping inward. Cosmic inflation, from Alan Guth's 2024 Physical Review Letters Update, adds, "The universe's shape might hide cycles within its growth. These aren't the loop, but sparks of its form." Philosophers chase this too. Plato's spheres, echoed in 2024's Metaphysics Review, saw perfection in circles, reality cycling through forms. The space loop agrees. The universe's roundness isn't chance, it's purpose, a shape that binds time and space. Imagine light from a distant quasar, curving back after eons, reaching its source, a cosmic wink at the loop's truth. What does roundness mean? It's unity, nothing strays far, all returns. Picture galaxies spinning, their arms tracing circles, as if the cosmos rehearses its own eternity. The space loop's truth is this: the universe is whole, its edges joined, a cycle where every voyage ends where it began, forever circling the stars. Section 7. Predetermined Futures in the Space Loop. Now, delve deeper. Within each galaxy, the future unfolds like a scroll, its lines already drawn. The space loop envisions destinies set, paths fixed, where choices flicker but cannot rewrite the cosmic script. Small shifts are allowed, steps left or right, words spoken or held, but the system's existence, its balance, stands firm, untouched by mortal hands, as if the stars themselves guard the plan. Picture a life unfolding, decisions piling like stones, yet the galaxy's arc holds steady. The space loop suggests this. We shape the ripples, not the tide. A smile changes a moment, a journey shifts a day, but the great wheel, stars burning, worlds turning, spins as it must. This isn't fate as mystics dream, but a design woven into the loop, ensuring the cosmos endures. Science offers a lens. Determinism, from Pierre-Simon Laplace's vision, claims every event follows prior causes, predictable if known. A 2024 Nature study on galactic orbits showed systems stabilizing despite chaos, as if correcting stray paths. Chaos theory, Edward Lorenz's legacy, adds, tiny acts, like a comet's graze, might ripple, but the space loop counters, the system absorbs them, its course unmoved. A 2025 Physical Review e-paper on self-regulating systems echoes this resilience. Philosophers weigh in. Baruch Spinoza's necessity, revisited in 2024's Journal of Philosophy, saw freedom as illusion within a fixed order. The space loop aligns. Choices exist, but within bounds, like dancers following a cosmic score. Imagine a supernova's blast, its timing set, yet planets nearby shift slightly, their orbits tweaked but not undone. This asks, are we puppets or poets? The loop answers, poets, writing verses within the galaxy's epic. What does this mean? Its harmony, existence holds, no matter our acts. Picture a city's hum, lives weaving patterns, yet the stars above march on. The space loop's truth is this: futures are set, yet malleable in small ways, a balance where every choice fits the cycle's rhythm, preserving the cosmos' eternal round. Section 8. The weight of the loop. What does it mean to dwell in a space loop, to know existence spins beyond reach? Humanity stands at this edge, eyes lifted to the stars, hearts torn between awe and yearning. Are we mere threads in the cosmic weave, carried by its turn, or do we nudge its path, even faintly? The loop's vision stirs questions deeper than science, touching the soul of what it means to be. Picture a child tracing constellations, each star a story looping through time. The space loop casts humanity as both small and vast, specks against the galaxy, yet part of its eternal pulse. It's a weight that humbles, our wars, our loves, our dreams, all fleeting, yet held forever in the cycle's embrace. The loop asks, does this comfort, knowing we return? Or does it ache, knowing we cannot break free? Philosophy grapples with this. Friedrich Nietzsche's eternal recurrence, explored in 2025's Philosophy Today, imagines life replayed infinitely, each moment reborn. The anthropic principle, from John Barrow's 2024 Cosmos Review, suggests our existence fits the universe's design, as if the loop sculpted us. These ideas don't define the loop, but illuminate its shadow, humanity as both guest and kin in the cosmic round. Science adds texture. Quantum cosmology, in 2025's Physical Review Letters, probes multiverse origins, asking if life's spark is inevitable. The space loop agrees. We're here because the cycle demands it, our place secured across realms. Imagine a future Earth, its skies silent, yet humanity's echo thriving under alien stars. This vision holds both loss and hope. Our end is not the end, but a turn in the spiral. What does the loop teach? Its purpose: every life matters, yet none disrupts the whole. Picture a poet's words, fading, yet reborn in another's song, light years away. The space loop's truth is this: we bear the cycle's weight, yet find meaning in its spin, forever bound, forever seeking, within the cosmos' endless dance. Section 9. Unseen Forces of the Loop. Beneath the space loop's rhythm lies a mystery. What keeps its balance? Envision unseen forces, silent architects shaping the cycle's flow. Galaxies spin in perfect arcs, stars align, life persists, not by chance, but by a design that holds the cosmos steady, its harmony a testament to powers beyond sight. The loop's order whispers of something greater, a mechanism weaving existence into unity. Picture a galaxy's spiral, its stars poised like notes in a symphony, never straying. The space loop sees this as no accident, but the work of forces unseen, threads tying planets to stars, galaxies to multiverse. These aren't gods or spirits, but laws deeper than gravity, sculpting the cycle's path, ensuring every piece fits the cosmic puzzle. Science sparks this vision. String theory, from Brian Greene's 2025 Journal of Theoretical Physics, imagines hidden dimensions vibrating to shape reality. A 2024 Nature Physics study on quantum coherence suggested unseen correlations across cosmic scales. These don't prove the loop's forces, but hint at a cosmos woven by invisible strings, resonating with the space loop's design. Philosophers muse on order. Leibniz' pre-established harmony, echoed in 2025's Metaphysics Journal, saw reality synchronized by a deeper plan. The space loop aligns, its forces sync the cycle, from a star's birth to a planet's fall. Imagine a black hole's pull, steadying its galaxy, as if guided by hands unseen. This asks, is the cosmos alive, its forces aware? The loop answers, alive in purpose, its balance a song sung across the void. What does this mean? It's wonder. The universe holds itself, a marvel of unseen design. Picture a nebula's glow, perfect, as if crafted. The space loop's truth is this: forces beyond sight guide the cycle, a harmony that cradles existence, binding multiverse in its eternal round. Section 10. Trapped in the loop. Why does the space loop bind so tightly? The answer shines in light, the cosmic warden, its speed a wall none can breach. Existence bows to this limit, time and space twisting to its rule, ensuring the cycle spins unbroken, its path eternal. The loop's vision casts light as both gate and key, locking the cosmos in its round. Picture a ship racing toward the stars, engines roaring, yet light stays ahead, unyielding. The space loop sees this as destiny. No force escapes the cycle's grip, no dream outruns its rhythm. Every galaxy, every life, moves within this bound, a dance where steps are free, but the stage is set. Science seals this truth. Einstein's special relativity, tested in 2025's Physical Review D with laser clocks, crowns light speed absolute. A 2024 Nature experiment on particle jets confirmed. Nothing surpasses it, anchoring reality to the loop's pulse. Quantum gravity, from 2025's Journal of High Energy Physics, adds, even space-time bows to light's law, a hint of the loop's unbreakable frame. Philosophers ponder limits. Kant's bounds of reason, in 2024's Philosophy Review, saw knowledge trapped by perception's edge. The space loop agrees, light traps us, yet shapes us, a boundary that births the cycle's beauty. Imagine a comet's arc, swift yet chained, never breaking free. This asks, is freedom illusion or gift? The loop answers, gift, for within its walls, existence sings. What does light's trap mean? It's eternity, motion-bound, yet infinite. Picture a galaxy's edge, light circling back, tying end to start. The space loop's truth is this: we're held by light, yet freed by its cycle, forever looping through a cosmos where every limit holds a star. Conclusion. And so, the journey through space loop, the ultimate truth of our existence and the multiverse completes its circle, all begins anew, for in the loop, they're one. This vision weaves a cosmos where time fractures, yet unites, where galaxies pulse to their own clocks, yet sing in harmony. Planets like Mars fade, warning Earth of cycles to come, yet promise life's return elsewhere. Existence loops through galaxies, reborn, yet balanced, one spark at a time. Stars die, their ashes birthing new suns, a rhythm of renewal. The universe curves round, its edges joined, start meeting end. Futures stand written, choices small against the system's might. Humanity bears the loop's weight, seeking meaning in its spin. Unseen forces hold its balance, guiding the cosmic dance. Light locks it all, a barrier that shapes eternity. Science casts sparks, cyclic cosmology, relativity, panspermia, determinism, strings, quantum realms, each a thread in this tapestry, not its frame. The space loop isn't theirs, but ours, a truth born from wonder, not proof. Picture a sky ablaze with stars, each a loop within the loop, each a story circling back. Humanity stands here, small yet vast, fleeting yet eternal, asking, why us? The loop answers, because you fit, your lives a note in the cosmic hymn. What does this mean? It's hope, no end is final, no loss complete. Imagine a future where Earth is dust, yet its echo thrives under alien skies. The space loop holds this. Existence endures, across multiverse, across time, a cycle that cradles every dream, every star. This is the ultimate truth, a cosmos forever looping, forever alive, where every circle holds the promise of another dawn. Thank you for exploring the space loop with diverse thoughts. We've uncovered a cosmos where cycles bind existence and truth loops eternal. If this journey sparked your wonder, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What's your cosmic truth? Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.